If you are trying to find a reliable, cost-effective way to keep your family's drinking water perfectly crisp and pure, or maybe you're just overpaying the really big payments for name brand, for leaky cartridges, slow water flow, this is a water filter replacement that I'm going to install today and see how it goes. It is specifically engineered for leak-free alternative to the Everydrop filter, the Whirlpool model. So it hopefully will do just as good of a job. So the first major question you probably have before swapping out your cartridge is, how exactly does this filtration technology work, and is it going to take away any of the good things of your water? So the brand did this really well. It is a high filtration that blocks the actively common impurities, bad taste, odors, but what makes it so unique is it helps to target and trap the unwanted elements, but lets the beneficial minerals pass through. So that ensures you get delicious, healthy water every single time, coffee, drinks, water, whatever you're using it for. So a second question you might have is, how long is this gonna last before I have to worry about doing this again? So this long-lasting lifespan is built for everyday busy households like mine and yours. 6 months to 200 gallons of fresh water before it ever needs to be replaced. So that gives you a really long-lasting performance, really good filtration, quite a long period of time, which is really nice. And third question, installation process. Is it complicated? Can you count on it not to leak inside the fridge? How is it all gonna go? So this has an advanced top seal that ensures a perfect fit to stabilize the water, so 0 leaks. So it's totally tool friendly, tool free. You don't have to have tools. You can slide it into place. Let's take care of it. And then we do have to flush it out to make sure that it gets primed for its best performance. So let's see how we do. So my fridge gave me a warning, gave me the red light that it was time to change the filter. So mine is in the bottom here. So we're gonna open this up. And there's always a little bit of water that leaks out when I do this. And so I always just have a napkin here just in case. And then you're gonna wanna make sure that you take the lid off here and then make sure that you place it in the right way. There are the little grooves in there. And then it does come with a date. And so I put the date of when I install this. And then you just line it up and it will just take it if you follow the arrows, and then you push it in. So now that it is installed, we are going to flush it out. So you can hear the water starting to do uptake by the new water filter. So you don't have to break the bank and buy bottled water to ensure your refrigerator water tastes. So I am priming the water by doing this multiple times and flushing it out so the water filter is prepped and ready to go. So just a really nice, high quality water filter to help clean up your water a little bit. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen's water quality and just save some money, this filter is just a really great choice, and that way you can save money and not have to buy bottled water. You're able to still get the minerals that are good from the water, and then also again save money and plastic as well. So hopefully this is helpful, and we'll see you next time.